Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as that mom here on the internet, and today we are back with another video. I will be making black bean taquitos today. This is going to be under $7. I'm pretty sure it's all under $5, but I'm going to say under $7 right here because I will be putting up the prices up on the screen, and we'll do the calculations on the screen together. So it's really simple. I have 3 ingredients in front of me, and I'm going to show them to you right now because I realized after we came home from the store that I didn't have any salt or pepper in the house for some reason. So no clue, but thankfully the things we're using today have them already in it. So first thing is black beans. These are the Walmart brand black beans. I want to say they were like 88 cents a can. I'm going to go ahead and rinse them a little bit. They're pepper, salt, and water in here. Really easy. This is a can of Walmart brand rotel. Well, as compared to rotel, it says organic diced tomatoes with green chilies, and in here it says it's got diced tomatoes, water, chopped green jalapeno, chili peppers, sea salt, vinegar, cilantro, citric acid, and calcium chloride, which I think is just another word for salt. And then we have a pack of Guerrero tortillas. This was a giant pack of, it was like 3 something. It's an 80 count. I already got into it, as you can tell. I did some other meal prep and stuff. So basically we're going to make the mixture, put them in the tortillas, and we're going to either bake them or air fry them. I have not decided which of the two I was going to do yet. So without further ado, let's get into cooking. And if you can tell, I broke my my thing just now, my stand to use for my phone. So this is going to be fun to try to figure this out. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so that little clip I just filmed just now, that was like a minute ago, and now it's like bubbling. So I am going to let this simmer and bubble a little bit so that the black beans get the taste of like the rotel stuff. I did not film because I forgot to film it while I'm putting the stuffs in there. That the black beans I put in whole, with the whole can in there. I didn't drain any liquid, but the rotel stuff I went ahead and I emptied out like half the liquid because I didn't want it to be overly spicy, because everybody's gonna be eating this and trying it out and all that stuff, so I didn't want to burn anybody's taste buds. So now it's starting to bubble really good. I'm going to grab out the potato masher. Yes, I said the potato masher. And mash it up a little bit. Let's grab that. Okay, so I took this off the heat because it did thicken pretty well. Like, as you can see, it looks pretty good. I am going to let it cool down a little bit before I try to roll into some taquitos. And yeah, let's see how this works. I'm afraid to burn them, actually, if I keep going. I might have added too much liquid, but it's fine. It's fine. It'll work. It'll work. I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit, and then I'm going to start rolling, and I'll be back. I need both hands to do this, so this is essentially what we're doing here. You see all that niceness? And then we're going to simmer it a little bit more, so I will do that with both hands now. I'm going to film at this angle. Let's see how this works. Okay, so prefacing by saying I have never made taquitos from scratch. Let's just go with that. And yes, I have consumed quite a many taquitos, so I'm going to try to roll this as well as I can, and let's see how it goes. So first I have our lovely baking pan here with our silicone mat on top. I'm going to put just a little oil on this pan. Well, that's probably a little bit more than a little, right? It's right. A brush. And we're going to keep this brush also to kind of brush the tops of the tortillas. So ta-da! This is what we have right now. I'm not going to tilt it too much because I don't want anything to fall off of it. I'm not warming these up. They're pretty pliable. I am going to put it towards like the side. So let's, whoop. Maybe I should get like a spoon on it. I'm gonna do the rest off camera because it's just the same thing over and over and over again. Okay guys, this is what happened. I have no clue what happened, but they split. All of them split. I have some more right here, and so I'm gonna try it with some flour tortillas because we have flour tortillas in the house. Let's try to see if we can make like 2 or 3 with these just to fool out the video with something that worked. But I mean, they're gonna taste good still. They totally split, but they're gonna still taste pretty good. I'm upset about this. That one almost looks like a taco. Oh well, we'll try it. Okay, take 2. This is all the filling I had left, just to try to make 3 flour tortillas. Let's see how this one goes. A little shaky here, guys. I'm sorry about that. But this is the finished plate of the 2 different types of taquitos. And okay, so we have tried this kind, and even though they have fallen apart, they work so good. They taste really good. They're not overly spicy or anything. And so now these ones are the second batch that I tried to make. They exploded just a little bit, but also they are super good. Look at this one. This one unfolded a little bit, but it still works. I'm gonna try this one for you guys on camera. I don't think there's any graceful way to do that. I don't know if it's just the bite I took, but that one was spicy. Woo. I think I took a whole bite of the jalapeno in there. But this works so good. My oldest daughter just came home from school. We're making dinner, but this is like a nice little snack. But also, like, I prepped them to make for like lunches and stuff. So, okay, it works. Next time, I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try this again on a different occasion, guys. I'm still gonna post this video, but I'm gonna try this again on a different occasion. And we're gonna try to make them better. But also, something that was unanimous with the family is that this filling can work as an enchilada filling, like a bean and cheese enchilada filling, or just a bean enchilada if you want to go completely plant-based, because I did put some cheese in some of these, but I made them all mostly plant-based, like I said, because I wanted to see how great it was and all that, you know, wonderful stuff, because everybody's looking for plant-based options these days, and this passed as a good plant-based option. But then it also passed with the cheese in it too. So, hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys try this recipe. If you do, let me know in the comments. Sorry, shadow on my face here. But if you do, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe. Hello to all my 70 subscribers. Thank you for being here. And let me know what you guys want to see. Any easy meal prep, any easy plant-based stuff, let me know. Hit it in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Bye!